Maya and Lina. Hi there. While Maya and Lina are sleeping, I'll make some pancake batter.
Wow.
Let's go and wake them up. Maya, it's time to get up.
Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, my sunshine.
Lina, it's time to get up.
Maya, let's go wash up. You did such a good job. Now let's put on some fresh clothes.
Yeah! I'll go to the changing room. I'm ready.
And how about Lina?
Oh, right.
Shall we have some breakfast?
Yeah! What do we have for breakfast?
Pancakes!
Lina also wants some pancakes.
Sure, of course. Pretend pancakes.
Yes!
Oh, Maya! Look what a cute little pancake bunny we made!
Wow! Mama, mine turned out perfect too!
Clever girl! You can make some pancakes for Lina. And I'll make some for you. My pancakes are ready.
And mine too! And some raspberries for Lina?
I'll prepare some.
No! No! What tasty-looking pancakes!
Shall we feed Lina?
Yeah!
And what do you make for your toys breakfast? Hit like and watch more of our channel, Maya and Lina. Bye-bye! Hi!
Hi!
Do you like playing with baby dolls?
Feeding them.
Tucking them in?
Taking them for a ride in a stroller.
Subscribe to our channel then and watch the show Maya and Lina.
Maya and Lina.
Hi! Look how many apples have grown. I need helpers. Maya! 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 Maya, look at our big harvest! Will you help me pick the apples?
Yes!
Here's the tractor! Let's transport the apples in a trailer. Maya, let's go!
Mommy, do we have to wash the apples?
Of course! Are they clean?
They are clean.
Let's go home!
Let's go!
We forgot Lina! I'll wash the apples one more time. Maya, choose a cutting board.
Cheese, meat, fish, apples.
Maya, I am going to cut the apples and then you can place them on the baking sheet.
Mommy, shall we make apple chips for Lina?
Of course, toy apple chips. Shall we go and get some apples?
Yeah, let's go.
Maya, did you find the apples?
No, this is an orange.
Maya, is this an apple?
No, it's a blueberry.
And this is a banana.
Mama, here's an apple.
We have to wash toy apples. Maya, which apples does Lina like? Green, red, or yellow?
I don't know.
Then we'll prepare everything.
I'll roll out the chips.
Now put it in the oven. Maya, our chips are ready. Will you taste them?
Yes. Awesome.
Go and check Lina's chips.
Okay, sure. Lina's chips are also ready.
Are they tasty?
Yeah.
Does Lina like them?
Yeah.
I think Lina really liked our chips. What can you make with apples? Try preparing apple chips with your mom.
And even together with your toys.
Like this channel and watch our other videos with Maya and Lina. Bye!